Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and just sort of updating you guys that I'm gonna go for a long ride. It's gonna be around 1000 to 1500 kilometer up and down starting from Bangalore. So that's it. Just sort of updating you guys, and I'll be listing out all the things which I'm carrying during my this long journey. So do check out the whole video, and if you like the video, just give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and that's it. See you. Bye bye, and see you the whole video. So that is all I am carrying for this ride, and if you like this video, then do give me a thumbs up by liking this video, and subscribe to this channel for more such videos. So where am I riding this time? Keep guessing and comment down below. Bye bye.